Hey guys, so today we're going to be starting with databases. So because the ultimate goal is to basically make a database for the book management system, that's why we're going to start looking at like what they are and how they work. And we're going to be doing this in pgadmin 4, so you need to install it before we go through this. So here we go.
Okay, so today we're going to be starting with databases. So in Python we're doing databases for the book management system, and at some point we need to learn how it works as well. So then we're basically the ultimate objective is to make like a database for the book management system, BMS. But first to do that we need to figure out how this works. So here first you need to install this pgadmin 4 for Postgres SQL. And then here first then like after you install this, and you're gonna have to like make a password and stuff like that for to access like of all your databases, your tables and stuff like that. So once you've done that, then we can start going through this. So first we're going to be doing like an example in the coming few videos of um of a database, which is basically going to be like so the purpose of it is to compare like the number of officially spoken languages in different countries. So we are going to have total 3 tables in it: a country table, a language table, and then like a third one for it's going to be like official language table. So we're going to get to that later. But first, this is like part 1. So here we're going to start with how this whole thing works. So first we're going to go here to servers. Then we have our own databases. So here you can see I already have 3 databases. So then we're going to create, and then so basically you right click over here and then create database. Then you name this database. So I'm going to call it official languages, and then I'm going to save it. Now we have a new database over here. So official languages, and we're going to expand it, and here go down to schemas, which is the second to last. Then down here we get a lot of stuff. We're going to ignore that and go straight to tables. So right now our tables tab is empty because we have not made anything. So I'm just going to show how to make a table. So you right click again, not here, you right click again over here on tables, and then you go to create and table. So then here we're going to do like, first I said we're going to do 3 tables. So this is the first one. So this is country. This is the name of our table, and we should keep it lowercase. Then we go to columns. So the country will total have 8 columns. So here I'm going to make first. So here I'm going to start with 4 so you get the idea. So you press this plus button and then you get this. Now the first one I'm going to make is country ID. And this data type is going to be big int, and it's not going to be null other than 0. Next we're going to make the name. So like the name of the country, like Sweden, China, whatever the name of the country is. This is going to be character varying without the rectangle thing. Then next is going to be population, and this is also going to be character varying because, yeah. And then here then we're going to continue. So I'm going to add columns later, but first, just so you get an idea, I'm going to say number of official languages, like the number of official languages that's like recognized by the government basically of that country. And then this is also going to be character varying, so over here. And we're gonna make all of them not null because none of these values can be like 0. They cannot be undefined. And if you want to add a default, you can do that. And after that, this one is going to be primary key. Next, we're going to save this. So you press save. Now what we're going to do is we're going to see query tool. So I'm gonna just minimize this. Yeah. So here we have so this is basically where you make the query. So we're going to go through that soon. But here I'll just show you. So select star from country, and now if I run, and then if I expand it, so then here you can see we have all four of those different columns I made. So we have country ID, name, population, and number of official languages that we made over here. Now because I've not inserted anything, they're empty, but we're going to insert like stuff. We're gonna look at the different scripts later. So here we basically have CRUD. So if I just go here and scripts. So here you can see we have create, select, insert, update, and delete. We'll be going through all of them. But this is simply like an introduction to this.